I burst into laughter at silly jokes almost every time. I am bursting with excitement right now. I have just burst a balloon over my head. I have been bursting to tell you the secret all day. I burst the bag of flour by accident yesterday. I was bursting into the room when I tripped. I had burst the seams of my old jacket before I bought a new one. I had been bursting to speak for an hour before my turn came. I will burst the bubble wrap for fun tomorrow. I will be bursting party poppers at midnight. I will have burst every balloon by the end of the party. By tonight, I will have been bursting with pride for hours.